The debate over abortion rights continues tonight. Yesterday, a federal judge here in Texas issued a ruling to suspend the approval of an abortion-inducing pill that has been on the market for 2 decades. Less than 2 hours later, a federal judge in Washington state ruled that the FDA must keep the drug available. KPRC 2's Taisha Walker joins us from the newsroom to break down the conflicting rulings. Taisha?
Bill, the federal judge's ruling would not go into effect until next Friday, which gives the Biden administration time to appeal.
Sonia King, a pro-choice advocate with Rise Up for Abortion Rights, hums the words to "We Shall Overcome." King and a small group gathered at the intersection of Montrose and Leavitt Boulevards in Montrose to hold signs to oppose Judge Matthew Kacsmarik's injunction of misoprostol, one of 2 pills used to perform an abortion.
We have to stand up and say this is unacceptable. We're not going back to the days of the coat hangers, the back alleys.
This is a huge attack on the right of women for reproductive rights. You know, this is coming after the overturning of Roe v. Wade.
The conservative judge, who was appointed by former President Trump, ruled Friday that the sale of the drug should be halted out of safety concerns because the FDA rushed to approve the drug 20 years ago. Amy O'Donnell is with Texas Alliance for Life.
If the FDA did, in fact, fast track that approval without putting it through the right safety testing and protocols, and then especially without good tracking of the data for complications, then women's lives in the United States have been at immense risk.
On Friday, a Democratic judge in Spokane, Washington, issued a conflicting ruling, preventing federal regulators from altering access to the same drug. KPRC 2 legal analyst Brian Weiss says this case could land before the nation's high court.
If I had to predict what will happen in the short run, I believe that the conservative Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals will likely uphold Judge Kacsmarik's order, and that the liberal Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals will uphold Judge Rice's order. That will set in motion the ultimate constitutional showdown in the United States Supreme Court in the not-too-distant future.
As you know, the Supreme Court has a 6-3 Republican majority. Weiss says if he had to guess, the High Court may rule to uphold Judge Kacsmarik's ruling. Live from the newsroom, Taisha Walker, KPRC 2 News.